New York Reuters. Top world stock markets climbed to record highs on Monday as U.S. Republican lawmakers moved closer to passing a tax plan, while the dollar slid on concerns about the bill's impact on economic growth and interest rates. Leading Republicans said they expected Congress to vote as early as Tuesday on the bill, which would become the biggest U.S. tax code overhaul in more than 3 decades if approved. President Donald Trump is aiming to sign the plan into law at the end of the week. Wall Street's leading indices struck all-time highs in early trading ahead of a potential vote, which would lower the corporate income tax rate to 21% from 35%. The market is going to continue its rally based on the belief that we're going to see the Congress pass tax reform, said Robert Pavlik, chief investment strategist at Stone Wealth in New York. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJI, rose 183.5 points, or 0.74%, to 24,835.24. The SP 500, SPX, gained 17.09 points, or 0.64%, to 2,692.9, and the Nasdaq Composite, IXIC, added 58.03 points, or 0.84%, to 6,994.61. The benchmark MSCI World Index, MIWDO, which tracks stocks around the globe, gained 0.97% to a record high. The Pan-European FTSE First 300 Index, FTEU3, rose 1.19%. Meanwhile, the dollar index, DXY, fell 0.39% after initially inching up following the tax plan's latest advancement. U.S. currency traders began to speculate how impactful the pro-growth bill could be and whether it would accelerate interest rate increases by the U.S. Federal Reserve, above the two currently anticipated by the market. The euro was up 0.44% to $1.1804. The greenback's weakening propelled gold higher as the dollar-denominated bullion became cheaper for buyers using other currencies. NL4N10Y380 file photo. People walk past an electronic stock quotation board outside a brokerage in Tokyo, Japan, September 22, 2017. Reuters. Hanai file photo. Spot gold Zhao added 0.6% to $1,262.52 an ounce. U.S. gold futures GCCV1 gained 0.67% to $1,265.90 an ounce. The gap between U.S. shorter-dated and longer-dated Treasury yields contracted to its smallest in a decade on expectations the government would increase its short-term borrowing with the possible passage of the tax cut bill. Oil prices. LCOC1 rose amid an ongoing North Sea pipeline outage and as a strike by Nigerian oil workers threatened the country's crude exports. U.S. crude CLCV1 rose 0.19% to $57.41 per barrel, and Brent LCOCV1 was last at $63.46, up 0.36% on the day. Bitcoin BTC was down 1.3% to $18,703.96 on the Bitstamp exchange after rising to a record of $19,666 over the weekend, ahead of CME Group Inc. CME launch of Bitcoin futures on Sunday. For a graphic on world forex rates in 2017, click tmsnrt.rs. To kick all. For a graphic on global assets in 2017, click tmsnrt.rs. To KDR2AB. For a graphic on global market cap, click REIT.rs. To Thief. For a graphic on emerging markets in 2017, click tmsnrt.rs. To Q4E09. Additional reporting by Alistair Pal in London. Editing by Nick Zieminski. Or Standards. The Thomson Reuters Trust Principles.